More breaking news we're following for you at 5 o'clock. The U.S. has confirmed its first case of that new coronavirus. At least 6 people in China have died. Channel 3 Eyewitness News reporter Aya Galal is joining us live here in the studio with more on what she's learning for us tonight. Aya?
Well, Mark, the CDC is only identifying the patient as a male U.S. resident traveling from China to Seattle. He is currently in isolation at a medical center in Washington state. The man recently traveled from Wuhan to Washington, but said he did not attend the animal markets where many of the patients were infected. We know nearly 300 people have been infected in China. Officials are compiling a list of people the patient may have had contact with since his return. The Wuhan coronavirus, which has similar symptoms as the common cold, can spread from person to person, but not nearly as easily as viruses like measles or the flu.
Illnesses started to be reported in December, and the patients who got sick had exposure either as customers or people who worked in a large fish market and also sold various animals in the city of Wuhan, China.
And there is growing concern about the virus because people not initially exposed to the facility are now getting infected. Several airports, including JFK in New York, are screening passengers who arrive from Wuhan. Because Bradley Airport does not receive flights from that region of China, no additional measures will be taken. But officials at Bradley say they will continue monitoring the situation very closely. Live in the studio, Aya Galal, Channel 3 Eyewitness News.
Certainly scary, Aya. Thank you very much for that update.